Hi, this is Priyanka,
This is Siddharth.
and this is our 319K final project. So for this project, we decided to simulate how a pacemaker works. A pacemaker is essentially an embedded system that is implanted in someone's heart. What it does is that it tracks the amount of beats per minute and sees if there's any errors or missed beats. If it finds a missed beat, then it provides an electrical impulse to the heart as a correction. And we simulated what a pacemaker does for our project using a microcontroller and LCD display, and we will show you how that works now.
So the first thing we can do is choose between the different languages. So we have English and Spanish as two options, and those are controlled by the buttons on the microcontroller. So for this demonstration, we'll pick the English one. So right now, you're going to hear two distinct sounds coming from our DAC. So the first one is going to be the sound that happens whenever the red heartbeat flashes. This means that the heart is functioning like normal and the beats are correct. And then if there's ever an error, you're going to hear another sound, which is the green heartbeat, which means that there's been a missed beat. And so that's what the pacemaker simulation is. This is going to serve as the correction beat or the electrical signal that a pacemaker would send. And right now there's not that many errors because we're in the low zone. But if I move the slide plot to the high zone, we can start to see that there's going to be a lot more of these missed beats. Another thing we can do is change the mode for resting to exercise. So that's going to increase the heart rate a lot. And even now there's going to be a few more errors because the heart's beating faster. And then if we move this to high, there's going to be a lot of missed beats because we're going at a very, very high rate. So.
And that concludes our demonstration for this project. Thank you so much for watching.